What we have done with the in-city vertical housing program sa lungsod. Nakita nga ni Mark Delpin. Sabi ko, tingnan mo yung disenyo ng pabahay nila sa disenyo ng pabahay natin. In fact, some of it, mas maganda pa yung atin. Pero kopya lang yon. Nangopya lang ako. And we are going to continue that goal to provide decent housing, masisilungan, disenteng tahanan at pagbibigay ng dignidad sa pamilyang walang pag-aaring bahay. From it also. Sabi nga natin, kung mabuti tayo sa kapitbahay natin, kailangan mabuti rin tayo sa loob ng bahay natin. I'm happy. I would like to congratulate some of you who benefited from the program. But with that study, I have learned that I think we are in the right track on creating more open green space. They are building so much open green space for the next generation. So we are on the right track on putting more open green space in our city. I've learned why most, if not all, Singaporeans, especially the young ones, are able to find jobs after graduating in a polytechnic university like Republic Polytechnic. The educational program of the state of Singapore ay binabagayan yung demand ng kanyang komunidad. So, those are the things that we have learned, and I'm really amazed that they are ahead of its time. I think they are now preparing a 2050 program for food security, like lesson learned during the pandemic. And now they are adapting to this level. They are now into robotic food farming and food production, and utilizing AI as a source for being or creating efficient food production facility. These are the things that modern countries or fully developed countries are doing right now. But the good news is that it is not rocket science. Hindi ho yan going to Mars. It's highly duplicable, can be replicated, and can be done also somewhere in the world. Maybe in Manila. But for the meantime, we will continue to focus, and we will not dissuade our dreams and aspiration to deliver MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Now, like what the city administrator is saying, in the coming days, there will be turbulent times for our city because we made changes. Naging habit na natin yan eh. I really don't care, with all honesty. I owe it to the people of Manila, this second win. I owe it to you. I will stay. I will stay if you allow me for the next 10 years of our lives. Wag niyo na ako isama dyan sa mudslinging competition ninyo. Hayaan ko na kayong manalo. Pero someday, you're going to us and you're gonna ask for our vote. the people of Manila will vote for those who fit in the office, who seem, or the way we look at it. But for the meantime, sabi ko paulit-ulit, hindi madali itong second term na to. Nalulungkot lang ako sa mga ibang politiko pagpalundagin. Kayo'y maging lingkod bayan. Hindi po halal lang ng bayan ang naglilingkod sa bayan. Kayo, bawat bahagi, bawat isa sa inyo, in their own respective field of undertaking, may halaga kayo, may importansya kayo sa opisinang kinabibilangan ninyo. Always bear that in your heart and in your mind. You tell it to yourself, sabay-sabay, I have value to the city government of Manila. And I will do my best to be of service of our people, to our people. Amen. Magandang umaga. Mag-iingat kayo at pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Maraming salamat. Manila! God first! God first. Thank you.
So tapos na po ang flag racing guys.